Hey y'all, welcome to PJ's World, and today on Cooking with PJ, as you can already see by the title, I'm making some Hennessy chicken. Okay, but before we get into all that, let's take a little ride. Okay, so I'm at Publix now. Let me get a shopping cart, child. So you need these right here. The folk nasty. So,
nasty.
You know, wipe your cart down. Get rid of the germs.
Nasty.
Go out on germs. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuff. And it's Sunday, so it's so many people in here. And where we live at, y'all, it's a small town, so I'll probably see somebody I don't know. Seems like it always be like that.
We got seasoning.
Yeah, I have seasoning. I just need I need my brown sugar and and I need some honey. Okay, here's my brown sugar. You don't need the expensive kind, get your cheap kind like this. Okay. And then I also need some honey, if I can find the honey. Let me see. Okay, I think the honey is over here. It should be over here, right? Yeah. No. So this is not it. I'm just gonna get some boneless, you know, skinless little chicken breasts.
Tenderloins. How many? 3?
2 is good. I'm gonna just get 2 packs of that. And y'all, what is this honey? Yeah, let me look on the condiments aisle. See, when I think about what a honey is, I have to think about where would I be if I was in a store. Some sweet like that. What would they have me at? They'll probably have me in a glass box or something. I don't know. What you said? They have me what?
On the sour aisle.
Y'all don't believe that. Okay, so I finally found my twin, the honey. And I have everything I need, so now I'm just going to check out. Okay, so now we're headed to our second stop, which is the liquor store. So you probably thought I was just cooking some little chicken or something like that, but no. This ain't no regular chicken. So I'm going to the liquor store. I'm gonna take y'all in there with me and y'all will see what I grab. But that is the main ingredient of this recipe, so stay tuned. Okay, so we're here and we are at the liquor store. Hi.
What's going on, man? How you doing?
I don't know what kind of music they got in here. You know, the good stuff sometimes be hidden, you know. Getting some hen dog, some Hennessy. Is the Hennessy back here? Behind the counter? Okay. Let me see. I need the smaller bottle, the 38 something. Got the Hennessy, y'all. Okay, so we leaving out the liquor store, y'all. Got that Hennessy, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm back at home and I'm ready to start whipping it up, you know what I'm talking about? Hey. So as you can see, all of my ingredients here. Of course, you're going to need oil, you know, to fry. Don't matter what kind you use. You can use vegetable oil, canola, whatever you want to use, okay? Some chicken breast, skinless, potatoes, because we're going to make some fries, some brown sugar. Of course, you gotta have a hen dog. And then you have some honey, all-purpose flour, some cornstarch, right there. 2 limes, a mixing bowl, measuring cup, which I don't really use to measure because I don't really measure nothing around here, baby. You know, you don't have to do that when you know what you're doing. And then, as you can see, I have a little ice right here in this jar because when you making this dish, you gotta drink Hennessy while you cooking it. You know what I'm saying? That's the only way it's gonna work. So make me a nice little mixed drink, some Hennessy cranberry juice with a little splash of lime, you know what I'm saying? None too fancy, you know. And then I'll go ahead and get started, okay? Now that I have my little drink, it's good too, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this chicken, baby. So I've already put the chicken in the bowl, okay? As you can see. So the chicken breasts are in here. This glove is only because I don't feel like touching chicken. I don't really like to touch it, really, to be honest. So the first thing you need to do is you're going to pour some Hennessy on the chicken. This is going to be our marinade. Okay. Now, I'm gonna pour a little Hennessy over it. Probably about a cup. Yeah, probably about a cup of Hennessy. It should be enough. Maybe a cup and a half. Mix it around, make sure it's over all of it. Yeah, let me add a little more Hennessy. And this is great if, you know, you having a little kickback at your house. You know, y'all just watching the game or something, or, you know, just hanging out. A nice little turn-up food. You know what I'm saying? Who doesn't want that? Who doesn't want that? And while I'm running my mouth, if you have not done so already, shame on you. But go ahead and subscribe to my channel, okay? I'm going to be uploading every single day for a good while for the cooking. But not only cooking, I'll be doing other things as well. So, you know, it'll be a lot of fun things that I do. You know, this is the grown, what should I call it? What kind of channel would this be? This is for the grown folks, okay? If you like to have a good time, you know, good vibes, you know what I'm saying? This is the channel for you. It don't cost nothing. You ain't gotta pay nobody. You know, people be like, ooh, so-and-so, that's too high, I'm not buying that. Look, this is not one of those situations. This is for free. You get me for free. Isn't that great? So let's get to know each other, okay? So I just worked that Hennessy around in here. And if you still haven't clicked subscribe, do it now and I'll wait. Good job, thank you. Okay, and click the little bell too so you don't miss out on the action. Because who knows what I'll be cooking tomorrow, honey, but it's gonna be something good, I can tell you that. So I just put the Hennessy over that. We made sure that it's all over our chicken. I'm gonna add just a little more, y'all. Okay, make that 2 cups of Hennessy. Add about 2 cups of Hennessy on there, okay? Add about 2 cups. After that, I'm going to cover this up with some saran wrap, put it in the refrigerator, and leave it in there for probably an hour to 2 hours. And that should be good, probably an hour. After that, we'll season it, put in the grease and all that. One of the things with chicken, now I will say, is with the grease, make sure it's on like a medium to high heat, not a high heat. If you have your grease on a high heat, that's the quickest way to eat some raw chicken. Okay, it's not gonna work out. It's gonna be cooked on the outside, maybe even burnt on the outside, and the inside it will not be done. So we don't want nobody to eat that and have salmonella poison and all that. So put it on a medium to high heat. Don't do that. You don't want it too low either, because then your chicken will be taking forever to cook. Chicken will be so greasy and soggy. That'll be a hot mess. So I just chopped up all of the fries, and I'm about to go ahead and put those in the hot grease. Hopefully you can see that. So just like some wedge shaped fries. Go ahead and drop those in the grease. And it's time for me to take the, y'all hear it sizzling. Hot, baby. So now it's time for me to take that chicken out of the fridge, honey. And get to seasoning that. That way, as soon as these fries come out, the chicken is going in. So, stay tuned. Also, while y'all are listening, I'm going to be doing an Ask PJ segment, okay? So, PJ, that would be me. And I'm going to do an Ask PJ segment. So, any advice you need, you know, on whatever it may be, you can send all of those questions that you have, or any advice that you need on something, you know, from a real G like me. You need some advice on something? Send it to askpj@gmail.com. So that, and I'll respond in a video on whatever my advice is. So that's something I'll be doing. So whatever you need help with, you know, let your girl know, and I'm gonna see if I can help you out with some good advice to help you get your life together, honey. So stay tuned. I'm about to get this chicken out the fridge. That's so doggone good. And then we'll get started. Okay? Okay, so I took the fries out. Let me let y'all see my little fry.
I took the fries out. I took the fries out. I took the fries out.
Ignore that background noise. Okay, so now we are about to put our chicken in this flour. And I'm just gonna put it in the bag. So get your little all-purpose flour right here. And I have 2 bags just in case one of them has a hole in it or something. Sprinkle your flour in there, put a little bit of flour, about 2 cups or so. And then add just a little bit of cornstarch. It helps it stick better, helps the flour. It's good for the bread, you know. Bread and be so much better when you add a little of that. So probably about, I don't know, about a half a cup of cornstarch. And now we're going to put this Hennessy chicken in there. So it's been marinating for a while and it's ready. It marinated for a while. It smells just like Hennessy too. The chicken smells so good. Okay, y'all. Let me sit this right here. So let me get my glove because I don't want to touch this. So I'm just going to take the chicken out, put it in here with this flour and cornstarch. And after that, I'm going to put in the grease. And I'm going to get you. I'm going to get Brandon. That's my husband back there that y'all hear talking. And that's my daughter Lauren that you probably hear playing with her toys. Oh. So Brandon is going to grab this camera so you can see me dropping this Hennessy chicken in the grease, baby. And this is not the only way that I'm incorporating the Hennessy into this recipe. I'm also going to make a nice Hennessy glaze. Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Okay,
just a second, baby.
1 second.
I sure will.
See, folks interrupting my cooking show, man. So yeah, I'm just put all these in here. Okay, so I'm taking these the Hennessy chicken out. What I forgot to show y'all, so my bad, okay? This is my first cooking video. I'm gonna make this again so we can have it all the way right. But I forgot to show y'all me seasoning the chicken before I put the flour on it. So all I did was I put a little bit of lemon pepper. I put a little of the lime that I had used for my drink. So I used that lime and I squeezed a little bit on the chicken. I put some garlic powder and a little bit of salt. So that's all I did. So that you'll know. So I just seasoned that all over and then I put it in the flour and the cornstarch and then I put it in the hot grease. So you didn't miss much, but sorry, I forgot to show that to you. So now I'm gonna go ahead and make my glaze and we'll get started with that now. Brought y'all down a little bit low because I'm about to make the little Hennessy glaze. My fries so good. Okay, so gonna add a little bit, look at this flour all on me. Add a little bit of Hennessy. Not too much, probably like a half a cup. Don't go too crazy with it.
Too quick.
And then you're going to add some honey.
You're gonna add some honey?
Yes, some honey.
Honey?
Mm-hmm. So add some honey. Okay. That's probably about, maybe that's about 3 or 4 tablespoons, something like that. Then add you a few little sprinkles of brown sugar. If it'll come out. Okay, so not too much brown sugar. This is probably, that's probably about 2 tablespoons. Maybe even 2 teaspoons, yeah. I don't know, baby. That's my daughter, y'all here. Okay, then some lime juice. So let me just roll that around a little bit. Okay. And squeeze you some lime juice in there. Okay, that's enough. And then we're going to put some heat on this. Okay, put it on low. Put it on low and let it do a little something. Let it just come to a nice little simmer. And then after that, sorry y'all, these fries good. I'm hungry. After it comes to a simmer,
We're going to the mall.
then you can go ahead and just glaze it on top of your chicken. Oh yeah?
You're at the mall.
Y'all, my baby.
You're at the mall.
You want to say hi to the camera?
That's the mall.
With her little Elsa dress on. So cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna stir that a little bit. And see what it looks like. Okay, so let's taste it. And see if we like it. Hopefully it's good. I feel like I want to add a little more Hennessy. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Because if I add any more Hennessy, I'll be right back. I'm about to go ahead and put this on a plate. And then I'll pour the glaze on top of it. And we'll do a taste test of the chicken and see if it's really, you know, doing something. Let's see. Okay, so before I put the glaze on here, I'm just gonna taste the chicken. Just to see what it tastes like plain, you know what I'm saying? It's good, y'all. I'm trying to see if I can taste the Hennessy. That's really good. That is really, really good. I think next time I would probably add maybe even a little more Hennessy, you know, to taste it just a little bit more. But the glaze should help with that. So that's good though. Okay. So here's the plate. Okay, y'all. So like I just told y'all, the chicken is so good. This Hennessy chicken, y'all have to try. If you try it, come in and let me know, you know, how it was. Was yours good? It probably won't be as good as mine, but it'll probably be really close. So now we're gonna let Brandon try, see what he thinks. Let's see. Oh, y'all hear that crunch? Y'all hear that juiciness?
You got some within there.
Huh, y'all heard it? Yeah. Okay.
That's a hit, yeah.
Yeah.
That's a hit.
Ain't that a hit?
That's a hit.
I
man.
know. They're good. Know what I'm saying? So y'all, okay, in case you didn't believe me, y'all just heard my husband Brandon telling y'all that the chicken is a hit. So it's Hennessy chicken. I'm gonna put all of the ingredients. I know.
That's a hit, man.
I know, you know, I'm not even surprised. So I'll put all of the ingredients in the description box so you won't forget anything. Use whatever seasonings you want, you know, don't go too crazy with it. Even if you just want to marinate in the chicken and just put some salt and pepper before you put in the flour, you can even do that. It's still gonna be good if you do the glaze. So it's really easy, really quick, and all of your friends and your man, okay, if you have one, will love it.
Or
so,
a woman.
Or they woman, yeah. So go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what y'all want me to cook next, because I'm gonna be back in this kitchen tomorrow, so let me know. Bye.